Look at them all. Got my buddy Karch, man. What do you say, buddy? Smoke eater.
Eddie, come here.
Oh, we got some. Do
this shoreline right here.
All right. Give us a thumbs up. Yeah, boy. July 27th, and I decided to go ahead and invest in some more stone since it's been a challenge for me to get enough. So we got a 1-inch river rock coming in clean. Almost 400 bucks, but it's gonna help me finish off all of the spawning rock cover in here. That'll work. Oh, that's pretty. Sharon's gonna want that for landscaping. Nice. Come on, get a bigger pile than that. There you go, that's better. There we go. That's pretty stuff right there. Looks like it's even washed. Well, that's about 2 or 3 buckets full, but it's supposed to be 5 buckets full. I'll take it though. All right, this stuff is cool. I better not let Sharon see this. She's gonna want it for landscaping. Oh, this is, look at a little seashell. This is great stuff for what we need it for spawning. Man, that's cool. It's gonna be a good addition. Driver here, he's in Excavation. He was talking ponds, and he's pretty impressed with my pond build, so I'm happy with that. All right, here's July 27th. It's gone down a little bit. I'm pretty sure this is just evaporation. We're at 97 with extreme heat indexes over 100. And as of today, we've been checking the base of the pond leaks, and there is nothing wet right now. So I might have got a good plug, maybe. Hopefully a really beautiful flat up here with all this gravel coming in. I'll put some a little deeper just because I don't know, you know, if catfish will use it down low. Can't hurt. I got enough stone now to finish a bunch of these areas. So I can go a little deeper with some spots. It may work, it may not, I don't know. Ain't gonna hurt though. Yeah, I was doing this spot, my back tire hit that rock, man, and I was like, oh boy. Luckily I was going really slow. in. So I just really would hate to screw that up right now. But I think I could use the RX, or worst case, I'll use the high lifter to hit that dam side, because that's pretty steep. Got some redneck stocking coming here in a little bit. Got some minnows and crayfish coming. Got from a private pond. Shoreline right here. Easy. Easy. And I'm pretty sure I got that leak plugged now. Been a couple weeks now and no more seeps. The seep on the other side of the road that I cleared out was, you know, soaked. It's all drying up now. So I really do believe I got it. There's a big one in there already, and looks like maybe two more. That's nice. Them babies are going to provide tonnage once they start spawning them tadpoles in there. Oh, that's a good start. Yeah, there's no way I'm going to risk taking this little tractor. Especially up higher, the higher you get, the steeper you get.
Hello everyone, this is Montana Porter.
Alright, now I'm winding the lip to the edge that if I did my job right, that water is going to come all the way up to here, and it's pretty steep. I ain't going this way. So I'm lining the lip in the really, really shallow part here for the real little bitty fish. It'd be so cool, like water up here. That would be awesome. Got my buddy Karch, man. What do you say, buddy?
Oh,
Smoke eater.
Eddie, come here.
Oh, we
Show
got
what's going on.
some nice minnows in here.
Eddie.
Oh yeah. Wonder what this one is.
A chub.
Chub, huh? Oh, crayfish.
I mean, we got a boatload of them in here.
Oh, nice. All right.
Eddie, tell them what we're doing.
What do you say, Eddie? How you doing, buddy?
Here's your chance. YouTube. He wants to be a famous YouTuber.
All right.
Go.
Give us a thumbs up. Yeah, boy. Hey, let's go put these in there.
Oh.
I got almost same.
Sweet.
All right, why are we putting them in there? Tell them why we're putting them in.
Yeah, what are we gonna do today?
What are we gonna do? We're stocking the pond with some bait fish, so in the future the big bass will have tons.
I already seen 2 or 3 big bullfrogs in here, so
Nice.
I'd say right where that rock is, in case it's soft down there. Man, I appreciate you doing this. We need to get us a minnow trap because we can trap in our other pond and transfer some more over. Oh, it is a little soft.
There we go.
In they go. Nice.
Oh, come on, little belly. Let me jump.
Oh, yes.
Ow.
Oh, look at them all. Oh, you got a nice load.
That was a good one.
That was a good one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're going to
You made a
sink there,
mistake on
buddy.
that one. You should have just come down here barefoot.
Yeah, there's a lot of rocks in here.
We got some chub. That'll be some good bass food. See you later, little fella.
Oh, yeah, you got another nice load. Sweet.
All right. See if I can get out of this.
Yeah,
quick mud.
let's see if I need to help you get out of here.
Get the bulldozer out.